What is up, guys? Now that I have to be on my dad's to record, but so today I'm out here and just saying, if you guys watch my videos, there's a summer leading ham comment, and I said a couple of things that was mean to her, but I actually know her. I know where she lives. I know where she sleeps. I know everything about her except for a couple of things. But leave a comment on her stuff saying you suck. But guys, I'm going to be doing motocross. Woo! My dad said it's okay as long as I don't get hurt. But I'm gonna get hurt. And I'm gonna stay out of school. Haha, I might do it on purpose. I might not do it on purpose. But let me just close this. See? Lovely day here in Bangor. But there's snow everywhere. It's my dad's truck warming up. This is a bad day for me. Nowhere. Guys, subscribe, leave likes. YouTube! You guys subscribe, leave likes. Comment down below if I say more of my videos. What do you just want to see, okay? I'm just making random videos. I want to be doing videos and motocross videos, okay? So I'm going to be practicing with motocross. I'm going to bring my phone over to my friend Chase's house. I don't know why his name is Chase, but I'm going to play some Xbox, ride dirt bikes, ride quads and stuff. But guys, I don't really trust this video anymore because the throttle got stuck on it. You guys don't know what a throttle is. It's a vroom vroom stick. On it. Skip I go. But guys, I'm trying to head out as much as I can. That's license plate. But if you guys see any, let me know. Just ignore them. Don't look them up. So you don't even know where I live unless you've seen my house number. And you guys have no idea what state I'm in. Because motocross, I'm going to be out of state. And I'm going to do practice. I'm just going to be doing motocross practice videos. Unless I can find out a way to put on the RV I'm going to be using. I don't have the RV here. It's at my friend's house, Chase's house. Well, as I was saying about the P-Dub, thought I got stuck down. P-Dubs are bad for doing that, guys. So, my next video is most likely going to be me hanging out with Chase and practicing for motocross, guys. So that wraps it up for my video. Summer leading him. If you leave a comment on this video that is rude, I will kill you. Goodbye. Woo!